This is a 2010 Mazda CX-7. This crossover has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, full power accessories, leather seats, a four-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, and this vehicle has less than 23,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Bob Turner's Ford Country is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1101 Montano Northeast in Albuquerque.